I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fudge jello. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have both the chocolate fudge instant pudding and chocolate-flavored gelatin. Next, we will prepare the gelatin mixture, combining it with boiling water. Then, we'll incorporate the pudding and milk for a rich, creamy texture. Finally, we'll chill it until perfectly set. To begin, you'll need a 3-ounce package of chocolate fudge instant pudding mix and a 3-ounce package of chocolate-flavored gelatin. Make sure to have 2 cups of boiling water on hand. Additionally, you will need 1 cup of cold milk and 1 cup of your favorite whipped topping to achieve the perfect consistency and flavor for your jello. First, dissolve the chocolate-flavored gelatin completely in 1 cup of boiling water, stirring until no granules remain. Next, add the chocolate fudge instant pudding mix to the hot gelatin, whisking until smooth. Then, stir in 1 cup of cold milk and 1 cup of whipped topping. Finally, pour this delicious mixture into a 9 by 13-inch pan or individual molds. Once your chocolate fudge jello is in the pan or molds, it's time to chill. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or until it is completely firm. This ensures it sets properly and holds its shape. When ready to serve, you can garnish it with extra whipped topping or chocolate shavings. Cut into squares or scoop for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.